Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to a 143 scale video. I'm trying out a slightly different camera angle for the 143 scale cars at least because, well, I was able to get the camera much lower, but I think this is the lowest it will get unless it falls over. That's that. In today's video, we have another Opel Collections car. This car itself is a new for me, so I have no examples of this car in my collection. This is the Opel Rekord. I think it's called the PI, not a P1, so I don't know fully. I guess that you'll see that in the name of the video, if it's a P1 or it's a PI. These were made from 1957 till 1960. There are some more details in the back here about the car. So the top speed of it is 125. I'm still not quite sure what that is. Can get up to 127 seconds, and it has 45 horsepower. So that would be that. Okay, let's get it off the base. Comes with this background card, which I'm gonna just leave it in there. It is a bit loose off the base because these triangle screws are just pin in the rear, and it took me a while to get them off. So I just slightly screwed it back in so I could just easily take it off by hand. Since I don't have the necessary screwdriver, which is like a triangle, some plastic fell off the front floor to unscrew it, which I might get this week. Ooh, well, that's what I was talking about, that the camera might fall over because of the very, very low angle I have put it in. And let me just adjust it. And I don't know, that'll have to do. Hopefully it doesn't fall over again. Okay, the model itself comes in this like green. I didn't say also it's a German police car. Well, it used to be a German police car. There's your details for the front. Front headlights are lensed. As 143 scale, mostly cars I have. I think all of them have at this point. So it's a plastic base, hard rubber tires. Not too crazy much of details on the bottom base. At least the exhaust is a separate piece. We have an antenna. We have like a single top light, which is like very high up. There's some details for the back. We got lensed tail lights and everything. The little dotted ones on the bottom are not lensed. Those are separate. I'm trying also film this video in Ultra HD, so I'm not liking that the camera is having issues. Like when I go this far, it's fine, but as soon as I want to get close, let's see how close I can get. Yeah, not much. Oh my god, they even use triangle screws to screw these cars together. Oh my god, luckily I don't need to open them. I don't know why they use the triangle screws. It's just so unneeded. Also, if you're seeing some flashing, I have no idea what that is. But yeah, mostly the car looks very good, in my opinion. So yeah, let's have a little roll test. It does roll very well, without any issues whatsoever. So there you have it, guys. 143 scale car model, diecast model. The Opel Rekord, German police car with Polizei on the side. Nothing more I can say here. It is a very nice model. It wasn't very expensive, also, so not fully sure who makes it because I've been looking on the internet and it always says a different um, manufacturer, so not fully sure who makes them. I'm just calling off them. They're coming from the Opel collection, and that's it. So that's that. Hope you all guys liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.